Okay, good morning children. Welcome back to ICAN Physics. Now in this class we are going to solve 7.7 and 7.8. Let's enjoy the class. A charged 30 microfarad capacitor. Okay, so C equal to 30 microfarad. Convert the microfarad into farad. So 30 into 10 to the power minus 6 farad is connected to a 27 millihenry. So L equal to 27 millihenry. Convert the millihenry into Henry. So 27 into 10 to the power minus 3 Henry. What is the angular frequency? So angular frequency equal to 1 by square root of LC. Okay. Now 1 by square root of L. So what is the value of L? 27. Into C. C is 30. Into here we are having 10 to the power minus 6. Into here we are having 10 to the power minus 3. Okay. So how we can divide 27? 27. So 9 3s are 27. So 3 3s are 9. So by breaking 10 to the power 27, then we can write 3 into 3 into 3. Here we are having 30. So 3 into 10. So in 1 0, so we can write 1. Here we are having minus 6 minus 3. Okay. Now, for instead of 2, 3, we can take 1. For instead of 2, 3, we can take 1. Now, so minus 6, minus 3, minus 9 plus 1, minus 8. So, for 10 to the power, minus 8. So, to take the square root for 10 to the power, minus 8. Then it becomes 10 to the power, minus 4. The minus 4 goes to the numerator as plus 4. Okay, 10 to the power plus 4. So 3 3s are 9. So how we can write 10 to the power 4? 10 into 10 to the power 3 divided by 9. So 1 9 is 9. Remainder 1. 1 9 is 9. Remainder 1. 1 9 is 9. Remainder 1. Like that it goes. In 10 to the power 3. 10 to the power 3. This much of angular frequency. Angular frequency. So what is the unit? A radian per second. Okay. Do you get it now? Do you any doubts? No doubts. Now, suppose the initial charge on the capacitor in question number 7 is 6 millicoulomb. Okay. So, charge equal to 6 millicoulomb. Convert the millicoulomb into coulomb. So, 6 into 10 to the power minus 3 coulomb. Okay. So, what is the total energy? Okay. So, what is the formula to calculate the energy? Q squared by 2C at a later time. So it takes some time to store the charges. Okay. Now substitute the values. Q squared. So 6 into 10 to the power minus 3 into 6 into 10 to the power minus 3 divided by 2 into C. So from the question number 7, we have to take the value of C. Here the value of C is 30 into 10 to the power minus 6. So 30 into 10 to the power minus 6. Okay. So 1 2 is 2. 3 2s are 6. 1 3 is 3. 1 3 is 3. 0, okay? 0. Then we are having only 6 into 10 to the power minus 3 minus 3. Then minus 6 goes to the numerator as plus 6. Here we are having plus 1. The plus 1 goes to the numerator as minus 1. Okay. Now 6 into minus 3 minus 3 minus 6. Minus 6 plus 6 getting cancelled. So we are having only minus 1. So into 10 to the power minus 1. So how we can write 6 by power minus 1 goes to the denominator as, so 1 decimal point. So 0.6 is the energy. So what is the unit of energy? Joule. Okay. Do you get it now? Do you any doubts? No doubts.